This is V with Timeless Elegance Design. I hope I'm finding everyone well today, because I have some fun for you. Today I'm bringing you a tablescape. It is called Hawaiian Luau Tablescape 20. It is hosted by Kale, If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It, Candy of DIY Design by CCW, and Tammy, Me, Myself, and DIYing It. Our challenge today was to bring the Hawaiian colors and food. So, let me bring it out just a little so you can get the whole picture of my tablescape. We could also do it out on a tiki bar, and so I did it on my bar, and I tried to make it look like a tiki bar. So let me take you back in, and it says, welcome to our tiki bar. Relax. And it's 5 o'clock somewhere, and I'm sure it's past 5 o'clock here at my home, because it is slowly getting dark. So I have two bistro tables set up for two. And my tiki bar is set up for four. My backdrop is a toucan bird. Visit my channel, please go over and show all the lovely hosts and co-hosts some love, as well as the other participants of this challenge. All of my plants came from either Home Depot or Walmart. The straw around my bar, I got it from Home Depot. My bar I've had for years and years and years, and my umbrella I've had it for several years as well. I think I got some big lots. And I hope you enjoyed my tablescape. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And ring that bell twice so that you'll know when I upload other videos like this. Thank you so much for visiting me.